So we're talking car insurance, and we're talking about trying to save some money on car insurance. It's an easy one, this one. Now, I was looking on some websites yesterday, and there's 3 car insurance companies at the moment who are giving rebates at the moment. And I'll explain what's happening on it. Now, when you contact your insurance company every year, or if it's the first time, they're going to ask you lots of questions, aren't they? And one of the questions they ask you is, what is your annual mileage, they'll say, estimated? And you'll say, well, it's about 10,000 miles or 12,000 miles or 20,000 miles. It depends, because it might be you work 25 miles away or 30 miles away, or it might be your university you travel to every day is 30, 40 miles away. It's cheaper to travel than it is to get accommodation there. Or your college it might be 10 miles away, but you go in there every day. Or you work in a school that's closed, so you're a teacher and sat at home, so. Or it could be you're even on sick because you've hurt yourself and you've been on sick for the last 3 months. So these all apply to every person at the moment. If you're sat at home and you're not actually doing anything, then your annual mileage is dropping dramatically because you're not driving anywhere. If you've been furloughed and you're at home, and the only time you're probably going to go out is to the shop shopping, and you might even go out once. If you want to travel out, but at the moment most people are just probably going out once a week, twice if they're lucky, instead of every day, where they're going to university 5 times a week or work 5 times a week, and the other 2 days they're actually popping out for trips or shopping. So your annual mileage has dropped a lot. So it's worth contacting them, asking them, do you get a refund? Now there's 3 at the moment that do refunds, so contact them if they're one of yours. If they're not one of yours, it doesn't matter. And the 3 at the moment are LV, Admiral, and Directline, and they're on the websites. It says it on the website. They're giving out some kind of rebate to the customers who they have, or some kind of refund. So it doesn't matter if it's not them 3. Contact your insurance company and just say, I've been at home now for the last X amount of time, and I'm wondering, do I get some kind of rebate off you? Because when we based our premium with you, it was based off me doing 10,000 miles a year, and I'd be lucky to do 7,000 miles at the moment, because I've not been, for the last 2 months, I've not done 50 miles. So they'll tell you yes or no. They might ask you a few questions, but it's worth a try, because if you're sat at home doing nothing and you're thinking, getting a bit short of cash here now, I need to try and save some money, then it's worth contacting them. So whether it be full license holder or learner, because it's the same for learner insurance. If you're doing nothing and you're sat at home and you're not going out driving because you can't learn at the moment, then it's worth contacting the insurance company and just saying, do I get a refund, please? So yeah, like I say, they're 3 at the moment, and they're adding to it every week. LV, Admiral, and Directline, they're the 3 at the moment who are offering it on their websites of rebates. So contact your insurance company, and if you can get a rebate, 50 quid, 100 quid, 25 quid, whatever it's going to be in your pocket, it's better to be in your pocket than theirs, isn't it? So good luck looking, and I'm hoping that rebate comes in your pocket. Take care.